let's get started. Today, already on social media, we're seeing people tweet screenshots of their bank accounts saying, I already got the money, the child tax credit already hitting people's accounts. What is this going to do for the economy this year?
Well, Joe, thank you so much for having me. It's great to be here. And the reality is that today, the families of 60 million children will receive the advanced child tax credit in their bank accounts. And what it's going to do for the economy and for those individuals is it's going to put parents in a position to invest in our future by investing in their children, by making sure they can pay for things like child care, helping them get clothes to go back to school, and will dramatically reduce childhood poverty in our country.
So obviously this is still a temporary program, but obviously it's the ambition of the White House to make this permanent. How would the economy look different were something like this to just be a permanent feature of the economic landscape?
You know this well, Joe, but demographics are the key to any country's future. And the key for us is investing in our human capital and investing in our children. Making a program like this permanent, extending it, will mean that we're in a position to make sure that we're investing in children, ensuring that they're in a position to learn, to have the resources they need to be productive contributors to society over time.
Now, obviously, we're sort of in this era in which it feels like the political motions are towards more comfort with things like sending out direct checks. And we saw that over a year ago when the crisis first hit. We've seen multiple rounds of checks. Now we see this. Nonetheless, there's still anxiety about the infrastructure of getting money out. Not everybody has a bank account. What should be done in terms of the investments to the infrastructure? We also saw it in the UI, for example. Not all the states were equipped. What should be done in terms of facilitating this so that in the future these kinds of things go more smoothly?
So we're very impressed by how smoothly this has gone. Over 80% of the payments have actually went into bank accounts, and the other payments have actually been checks that have been sent out to the American people. Our goal is to make sure that people receive these payments on a regular basis on the 15th of each month in order to make sure that they can plan going forward. We've created childtaxcredit.gov, so if your banking information changes, you can update it there so that you can make sure that the money is getting to you so that you can plan for the future. We think the infrastructure is working well, and we look forward to making sure that more Americans have eligibility for this program.